Cook It Yourself by Chef Daniel Rivera.
Hello, my name is Daniel Rivera. I am a chef. Today I'm going to prepare the perfect mashed potato recipe. Ingredients: 1 big potato, peel and cut, some salt, half teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 tablespoons milk. Instruction: first, boil the big potato into a saucepan. Then mash the potato until well mashed. Next, add melted butter, some salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix all the ingredients together. Finally, adding milk to achieve the consistency you deserve. Serve it cold. Serve cold into bowl. Enjoy my recipe for your breakfast. Thank you.